inverse?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and we have 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, now if you want to eliminate the y term, okay, or y variable, then we have to make their coefficients equal. Okay, so in order to make the coefficients equal, what shall we do? Can we multiply this by 2? Yes or no? So that we will get 2 2s are 4. Actually we have to bring the LCM, है ना. 4 and 2 का LCM क्या होगा भाई? 4 होगा. तो यहाँ तो 4 है, तो 4 1 जा 4, इसीलिए फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी आर नॉट राइटिंग दैट. सेकंड इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो बता देंगे. सो multiplying equation 2 by 2 and solving equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we have first equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Okay, 2 2s are 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Already we have opposite sign, so let us add the two equations. 4y plus minus will get cancelled. 4 plus 3 will be 7x is equal to 14, and therefore x is equal to 14 by 2. Therefore x is equals to 7. Okay, now this value of x we can substitute in any of the two equations, 1 or 2, any one. Yes or no? Now substituting value of x in, say, equation 2 we are substituting. Okay, what is equation 2? 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Therefore 2 into 7 minus 2y is equals to 2. 14 minus 2 is equal to 2y implies 2y is equals to 12, implies y is equals to 12 by 2, 6. Okay, and therefore solution we have obtained, x is 7 and yes, x is 7 and y is 6. Okay, you may note down this. Okay, number 4, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1, and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Let us simplify the two equations first. So we have 3x plus 2 2s are 4y upon 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 1, and 3x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Therefore 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. Okay, now first equation we can multiply by 4. Second equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiplying equation 2 by 4 and solving with equation 1. Okay, so we have 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and 4 3s are 12x minus 4y, 9 4s are 36, plus 15 x is equals to 30, and therefore x is equals to 2. Okay, now we can substitute value of x. Substituting value of x in equation 1. What is equation 1? That is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. This is equation 1. Therefore, 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Therefore, 4y is equal to minus 6 minus 3 2 जा 6 है ना, 3 2 जा 6 ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. Y is equals to minus 12 by 4 implies y is equals to minus 3, and therefore the solution value of x is 2 and y is minus 3. Clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
સર આપણે જે 3 નંબરનો સમ કર્યો ને
Hmm.
એકચ્યુઅલી છે ને મારી જોડે મતલબ ડાયજેસ્ટ છે.
Okay, let us consider x be numerator and y be denominator, okay, of a given fraction, and therefore the original fraction becomes x upon y. Okay, now number 1, if we add 1 to nr and subtract 1 from dr, on adding 1 and subtracting 1 from dr, the fraction becomes 1, that is x plus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the equation. इसको simplify कर देंगे. x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, and therefore x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Therefore x minus y is equal to minus 2. Clear? Okay, this is the first equation. Further, दूसरा statement read करेंगे. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. So on adding 1 to denominator, x upon y plus 1, न्यूमरेटर में कुछ नहीं करना है, the fraction becomes 1 by 2 ऐसा दे दिया है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2x is equal to y plus 1, therefore 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2, solving 1 and 2. Okay. X minus y is equals to minus 2. This is equation 1, and 2x minus y is equal to 1. Equation x minus y minus 2, 2x minus y 1. Okay, now already the y terms involving variable y are equal. खाली इक्वल साइन है तो ऑपोजिट साइन करना पड़ेगा, तो विल चेंज द साइन ऑफ द सेकंड इक्वेशन. each term in the second equation. So plus y minus y gets cancelled. X minus 2x minus x is equal to minus 3, and therefore x is equal to 3. Now substituting this value, value of x in equation 1. Therefore, x minus y is equals to minus 2. This is equation 1. 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. Therefore, 3 plus 2 is equal to y. And therefore, y is equal to 5. Okay. Therefore, solution. Value of x is 3 and value of y is done. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? You are given the comparison of ages of Nuri and Sonu 5 years ago and 10 years later. Okay, so and we have to find the present age. So we can calculate the present. We can consider that let x be the present age of Nuri and y years be the present age of Sonu. Let the present ages of Nuri and Sonu be x years and y years respectively. ओके तो 5 years ago आपको पहला कंपैरिजन दे दिया है 5 years ago. So what would be the Nuri's age? If Nuri is at present x years old, what would be her age 5 years ago?
X minus 5.
X minus 5 years. Okay, and Sonu's age will be similarly y minus 5 years. Okay. Now the comparison is given. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice. Nuri age thrice means 3 times. Yes or no? 3 into Sonu's age. Okay, so Nuri is x minus 5 is equal to 3 into y minus 5. Therefore, x minus 5 is equals to 3y minus 5 3s are 15, and therefore x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. Therefore x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Equation 1. Okay, now 10 years later. 10 years later. What will be Nuri's age?
X plus 10.
Yes, x plus 10. X plus 10 years. Similarly, Sonu's age will be y plus 10 years. Okay, now comparison is given. Read the statement. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice, means 2 times. That is, Nuri's age is 2 times the Sonu's age. And therefore Nuri x plus 10 is equals to 2 into y plus 10, and therefore x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Therefore, x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. Therefore, x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the second equation. Okay, now solving 1 and 2, क्योंकि x वाली टर्म ऑलरेडी इक्वल है, डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर देंगे. सॉल्विंग 1 and 2. What is the first equation? X minus 3y. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is equation 1. And yes. And x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation 2. Changing sign, minus plus minus. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y will be minus y is equals to minus 10 minus 10. Y is equals to 20. This is Sonu's present age. Yes or no? Substituting value of y in equation 1 or in equation 2. Substituting value of y, say we are substituting in equation 2. Therefore, we have x minus 2y. Two into 20 x is equal to 50. Okay, and therefore Nouri's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is 20 years. Okay. Number 3. The question is, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice as the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Okay, so here we have to deal with a 2-digit number. So what shall we do? We will consider the units digit and the tens digit of a 2-digit number. So let us consider that. Let x be tens digit and y be units digit. Now it is not compulsory that you take x to be tens digit only. आपको x को units digit लेना है तो भी ले सकते हो, y को tens digit भी ले सकते हो. ठीक है, clear? And therefore the original number, what is the format of 2-digit number? x is at tens place, तो 10x plus y. ठीक है, this is the 2-digit number obtained. Yes or no? 25 we are writing as 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. ऐसे लिखते हैं भाई.
Yes, sir.
तो ये 2-digit नंबर को हम इस फॉर्मेट में कंसिडर लिख देंगे. तो 10x plus y is the format for a 2-digit number for where x is tens digit and y is units digit. If you are taking in reverse order, अगर y को आप tens digit लेते हो और x को units digit लेते हो, then we will write 10y plus x. Clear? Okay, now sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. आपको you are given the sum of digits. So the two digits are x and y, so their sum, that is x plus y, is equal to 9. This is equation 1. Okay, ये सीधा equation 1 हमको मिल गया है. Now second statement. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by 9 times this number. This number means original number का 9 times. Okay, so it is given that 9 times the original number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. यानी पहले x टेंस डिजिट था, y यूनिट डिजिट था, अभी हमको रिवर्स कर देना है, यानी y को टेंस के प्लेस पे एंड x को यूनिट्स के प्लेस पे. सो न्यू नंबर क्या हो जाएगा अभी आपका 10y plus x, है ना. व्हेन यू रिवर्स द डिजिट द न्यू नंबर ऑब्टेन विल बी 10y plus x. क्लियर. तो चलो ये जो अपने ने इक्वेशन लिखा है वर्ड फॉर्म में, ओके, उसको मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन बना देते हैं. तो 9 into original number is what, that is 10x plus y is equals to twice, what will be the new number obtained by reversing the digits, that will be
10y plus x.
10y plus x. Okay, now we will simplify. 9 tens are 90x plus 9y is equals to 20y plus 2x implies 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. 90 minus 2, 88x minus 11y is equal to 0. Further take 11 common, 11 reduce हो जाएगा, तो 11 8 minus y is equal to 0. ठीक है, this is the second equation. Now we can solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 9. X plus y is equal to 9. This is equation 1. And 8x minus y is equal to 0. 8x minus y is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Okay, since the signs of y terms are already opposite, we will add 8x plus x. We have 9x is equal to 9, and therefore x will be 9 by 9, 1. X 9 upon 9 will be 1. Now substituting value of x in equation 1. What is equation 1? That is x plus y is equal to 9. This is equation 1. 1 plus y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 9 minus 1. Therefore y is equal to 8. Okay, and therefore we have to find the original number or the digits. Find the number. Yes, therefore original number क्या हो जाएगा भाई, टेंस डिजिट 1 है एंड यूनिट डिजिट 8 है, तो 18 हो जाएगा ना. क्लियर. 18 will be the original number. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 are received. So we have to find the total number of 50 rupees notes as well as 100 rupees notes she has received from the bank. So let us consider that let there be x notes of rupees 50 and y notes of rupees 100. Okay, let there be x notes of rupees 50 and y notes of rupees 100. Now total money drawn, the amount drawn from the bank is rupees 2000. Okay, now how we are going to express this? So 50 rupees notes we have, the total amount of 50 rupees notes will be 50x. Yes or no? If there are x notes of 50 rupees, then 50x is the total amount. And if there are y notes of 100 rupees, then 100y is the total amount. And दोनों को मिला के ये 2000 हो रहा है, it is given. ठीक है, यहाँ से 50 कॉमन आ जाएगा. क्या कॉमन आ जाएगा? 50. तो 50 सीधा रिड्यूस कर दो गैप, यानी 50 से डिवाइड कर दो तो 50. ओके, यहाँ 40 बचेगा. क्लियर है ना भाई? So this is first equation. Okay, now you are already given that the 25 notes in all Minu received. So total number of rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes is 25. That is, you are given that x plus y is 25. Okay, now solving 1 and 2. Okay, so we have x plus 2y is equal to 40 and x plus y is equal to 25. Minus minus minus, x will be eliminated, 2y minus y is equal to 15. Okay, now substituting value of y in equation 2. What is equation 2? That is x plus y is equal to 25. This is equation 2. Now value of y we have got to be 15. Therefore x plus 15 is 25. Therefore x is equal to 25 minus 15. X is equal to 10. Again, therefore number of rupees 100 notes is 10 and number of rupees 50 notes is 15. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us solve